Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to send Bitcoin from your Revolut account to your Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to take more control of your crypto, avoid platform fees, or just explore decentralized wallets, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. With the crypto landscape evolving, I'll cover the latest updates based on 2025 standards, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Revolut app and Phantom wallet set up on your device. If you haven't already, download the Phantom app from your app store and create a wallet. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged into Revolut, head over to your crypto section and locate your Bitcoin balance. Double-check that you have enough BTC to cover the transfer, including any network fees, which might be lower in 2025 thanks to improved blockchain tech. Next, open your Phantom wallet app and go to the Receive section. Here, you'll generate a unique Bitcoin address. Copy this carefully, as it's case-sensitive and essential for the transfer. Now, switch back to Revolut. Tap on your Bitcoin holdings, select the Send or Transfer option, and paste that Phantom address into the recipient field. Don't forget to choose the Bitcoin network. In 2025, Revolut might support faster options like Lightning Network for quicker, cheaper transactions. Before you hit Confirm, review the details: the amount you're sending, the fees involved, and the destination address. Once everything looks good, authorize the transaction with your Revolut PIN or biometric verification. This step is crucial for security, so take your time. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on both apps for updates. Once it's done, check your Phantom wallet to confirm the Bitcoin has arrived. If you run into any issues, like a failed transfer, double-check the address or contact Revolut support. And there you have it. That's how you move your Bitcoin seamlessly in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.